Here's how to change the batteries on your underwater Kinetics 4AA eLED flashlight. All you need to do this is 4 AA batteries. So here's the process. First thing you want to do, unscrew the front light bulb here. Now behind that, the light is attached to a tube. Now one of the tricky things about this flashlight is this tube is so narrow that a lot of the rechargeable AA batteries won't work. So you pretty much have to use your normal alkaline batteries on this, or lithiums. So I'll take out my 2 batteries going this way, and I'll grab my other 2 here. So now I'll get 4 new batteries, and you'll notice here on the flashlight is a diagram for the orientation of the batteries. So the bottom row here in the barrel, you want the positive side to be facing the rear. So I'll take one of my new batteries and put it in that way. Now the top side, it says the positive side should be facing the light. So I'll take those batteries and drop them in this way. Now take your tube here, slide it down over the batteries, screw on your lens, and you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.